Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce vulnerability scanning time with Qualys, complete guide step by step clearly. To reduce vulnerability scanning time with Qualys, begin by logging into your Qualys account. Navigate to the Scans section from the main dashboard. Select New Scan to initiate the scanning process. Choose the appropriate scan type that suits your network requirements. For faster results, consider selecting Vulnerability Scan. In the scan settings, focus on the Targets section. Input the specific IP addresses or domains you want to scan. Limit the scope of your scan by excluding unnecessary assets. Adjust the scan schedule to run during off-peak hours. In the Options tab, select Fast Scanning Profile if available. This profile will prioritize speed over depth in the scan process. Next, review the authentication settings to enhance scanning efficiency. Utilize credentials to allow a deeper scan in less time. After configuring the settings, click on Save to store your scan configuration. Now, launch the scan by clicking the Launch button. Monitor the scan progress on the dashboard for real-time updates. Review the results after the scan completes for a detailed vulnerability report. Analyze the findings to prioritize remediation efforts based on severity. Consider setting up automated scheduled scans for ongoing vulnerability assessments. Utilize Qualys reporting features to generate summaries for insights. Lastly, continuously refine your scanning strategy based on the results and network changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.